Preparing for UPSC Civil Services Examination and struggling to find your way through vast syllabus, unlimited resources and unstructured approach? Enroll for the GS Foundation Course 2026, 2027 and 2028 by VisionIAS Chandigarh starting from 18th June at 5 p.m. This 15-month course is meticulously designed to cover general studies syllabus, current affairs, CSAT and offers holistic coverage with strong revision and practice strategies. Visit our Center for Counseling with Experts and set sail on your journey to UPSC CSE success with expert faculty from Delhi, one-on-one mentoring, All India Test Series, tech-enabled classroom. Join today and commence your preparation for a head start.